Invoice number V7824. Today is March 23rd, 2023. We are video inspecting the 13 by 13 family room fireplace. There is a flagstone cap installed at the top of this chimney. This will not keep out any critters, and water can still intrude inside the home. Third stage creosote is already present, and we will be proceeding down with the video inspection. Basic sweep has been performed. Basic sweep will not remove any third stage creosote present. It will merely remove everything that is loose. Height will also be given at the end of this video inspection. This is all third stage creosote. Very thick. Looks like we do have an open mortar joint here. Upon sweeping the flue, we did have evidence of combustion inside the flue itself, and there were a lot of gray areas that appear to have the creosote burned. You can see all this third stage creosote. This is also an exterior chimney, so we do have height, and the fact that there's an exterior structure working against us. You can see there is exposed brick in this structure as well. There should not be any bricks. It should be all terracotta flue tile with cemented mortar joints. You can see there's a gap in between the bricks as well. This is an area where creosote can migrate and also heat, spark, and flame and transfer. More third stage creosote. This is all third stage creosote. Very shiny, tar-like byproduct. We are now in the smoke chamber area. Smoke chamber area is just also a sheet of third stage creosote. This is very severe inside this structure. Smoke chamber does appear to not be parged and have exposed cinder block. We are approximately 18 feet tall in height. Just shy of 20 feet. That concludes the video inspection for today. The ash dump door is missing, along with, you can see daylight. The ash trap door is also missing and behind a tree. Both shall be installed as well. New ash trap and new ash dump door. That concludes the video inspection for today. Multiple defects have been observed.